question for you all. Is living your life is hard? I know we face a lot of problems, but what is life without a problem? Am I right? I just want to share these moments with you all. Ito yung araw na dumalo kami sa libingan ng lolo at lolo namin para maalala ang mga memories na ginawa namin nung kasama pa namin sila. And I know that they may not be here, but the teachings that they share to us is what make us live. They teach us that death is not something to be afraid of, because death only happens once. But living is what we do every day. Enjoy your life. Leave all your problems. Just be happy, okay?